This video is going to explain to you guys how to use the Fibonacci retracements within under 10 minutes. Now, it's very simple. The very first thing, guys, is to actually have the settings of the Fibonacci. Now, with that being said, guys, this is going to be the settings over here. So go straight into it. This ones that are ticked, that is the ones you have to have on there. Okay, guys, this is my settings. You guys can literally just take a picture or pause it and you can literally do the same. If you don't know where to find the Fibonacci, on the left hand side right here, you see it says Fibonacci retracement. That is the one you're going to be using. Now, before we go any further, please do like this video, guys. Do subscribe. And don't forget, guys, that you can join the free group. The link's in my description. And also comment down below if you do actually enjoy this video. Now, first of all, one of the very first things, guys, to understand about using Fibonacci is you need to understand market structure. You need to be able to understand when market is creating higher highs, higher lows, when market is in a downtrend, like this: lower low, a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low. You must be able to actually identify this type of structure so that you can able to actually understand where the market are you pulling the Fibonacci in the buying format or you pulling it in the selling format. So for example, guys, let me give you guys some examples of the Fibonacci in a buying format, right? The first thing you guys need to understand is you must be able to actually spot the market actually, creating a high and a low. So for instance, here you can see market has a low right here and has a high right here coming. So with that being said, since we have a low and a high, we're looking for retracement and want to see how far is the retracement. Now the golden zone of the Fibonacci from the low to the high, like that, guys, you can see this little golden zone, the 61%, is the golden number where you want to be entering off. Once you have your entry over there, guys, a simple way of actually getting stop is at the 78%, and then taking it back to the high there. That will give you a good risk to reward ratio. Once the market comes into there, the next thing you guys need to understand is you need to have other technical analysis to help you with your trade. So for instance, support resistance, moving averages, supply and demand, or anything else that you're using. This is the example. You see the market just moves beautifully to take profit. Now, with that being said, that's a buying format. I'll show you guys one more buying format example. You can see right here, you have a low right there. Now we're looking for some sort of retracement. Once market retraces, you know that's a high. That's where you're going to pull it off. You can see there on top, the market started retracing on top right there. And that's going to be where we're going to start using from the low to the high over there. And we're looking at the 61% as the area for entry. So basically entry there and stops can be simply tight like this. Now look to the left, guys. You can see right here we have nice resistance over there. We became support. Okay, guys. So with that being said, all you're looking for is market to retest back into there. Once you test it, it went beautifully up and giving you a clean risk to the ratio over there for literally a 1:4. That is 2 trades in a row. Now, the next thing I want to show you guys is a sell format. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you guys a sell format. For example, you can see how market breaks structure. So let's look at where the market breaks structure. You can see the last break was literally over here, guys. So you can see that market went up, right, went down, and then went up, failed, and then broke lower. So this is the change of structure. So the last high was right on top over here, and the last low is at the bottom over here. Now we're looking for the sell format. So what you do with the sell format is pull it from the last recent high. So basically the recent lower high or the high and the lower low, the most recent lower low. So you can see at the point right there, 61%, that is where you want to be looking for a sell off. Okay, guys, you're gonna have to be patient. And if market doesn't do that, then you're gonna have to wait for the next structure. So you can see what happened. Market eventually just broke low, continue breaking new lows. Now, if I could really go into this, guys, you see how market broke structure. That means that market is not going to come back to that 61%, but you do see that it had a low here and literally a recent high over here. So with that being said, guys, what you're going to do is just put it from the high to that low over there. And you guys see that is the new area that you're going to be entering for a sell. So all you're going to do is basically put a entry over here, a stop right there, and you wait for market to come right back down, okay, into that lows one more time. Okay, so all you got to do is wait for that spike. That you can see market literally came into the area, little drawdown, and he's take profit. That over there is a great example of how you take a sell in the market. I'll give you guys one more example, guys. But if you do enjoy this video, guys, I'll literally explain the Fibonacci in literally less than 10 minutes for you guys. If you do like this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, guys, and comment down below if you enjoy these type of videos. Also, there is a free group where you guys can join. I do stream every single day, guys, showcasing my trades and my ideas on the market. So if you want to join for more education, join the free group and join the live streams for free on YouTube. Now, moving on, the last example for you guys is over here. This was a great example, guys. So you can see what I looked at basically is the structure. You can see a market had beautiful highs, low, highs, and now lows. So that was a clean structure we had there. So you go from last recent low to recent high. And right over at 61%, that is where you start looking for a buy, taking it all the way back up. So stop loss gonna be right over here. Look to the left, you have nice support areas, which was once upon a time the resistance. All you gotta do is wait for the retest and go up. Now, on this end, you can see that basically market literally missed that area by an inch. But that is literally how the market goes, guys. You're not gonna be always perfect. What I try to teach you guys is that not every entry is gonna be as perfect and sniper, whatever like people like to call it. The case is you need to know that you need to have a rule set and follow those rules over and over. Over time, you will have a great probability because the main key part is having good risk management. If you guys enjoyed this video, like I said, please subscribe and like this video. With that being said, I'm signing out and hope you guys enjoyed it. From your mentor, Shaquel Samaai, I'm signing out. Cheers, guys.